Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna jump right into this video, okay? Y'all see the bowl cap method I'm doing, okay? I had found this wig at the beauty supply store for $47, so this is a synthetic wig that I will be installing. Y'all, I'm not a professional, but I do it to the best of my liking. I do hair, but not wigs. So, as y'all can see, alright y'all, so now I'm taking this powder palette Ruby Kiss that I had for years, y'all. My mother had it and I was like, what you doing with it? She talked about, you gave it to me. I was like, no, I did not. She said, yes, you did. Anywho, I'm taking this color, whatever color I'm using, and I'm just trying to melt the bowl cap even more. Although I feel like it matches my skin pretty well, but you know, I'm trying to do a little bit more like y'all be doing. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, I wanted to do a little dance here. Don't know what the hell I was doing, but look at it or whatever. Anywho, girl, fix yourself, get yourself together. So yeah, now I'm about to take this wig out this back. Okay, don't come for me in my wig. It really looks like I got it, you know, yeah. But it was off the mannequin, okay? They gave me a discount because they ain't had no more in the back and I took the last one, so yeah. So it's giving Beyonce the color, and this was the only color that they had. That was the last one, so I took it off the mannequin because I wanted it. And I was $47, 24-inch crimp, okay? Go get y'all wigs. It was a little difficult to work with just because it's synthetic blend into curly one at that tight curl. Like the straight hair or the curly, loose curly hair is cool. It's easy to work with. So this is a middle part, like a 13x4 lace or whatever I think that is. So I'm just going to put the band type so it can secure my head. And it did justice, okay, y'all? It fit well. Alright, y'all. Now I'm putting this wig on. As you can see, the back is a little nappy. This whole wig just needed some shine, some oil, all that. So now I'm putting on my little peanut head and trying to see if it fits. It fits snug, y'all, snug. I was debating if I wanted to glue it down or not, but I went on to glue it down and tried not to glue it down on the sides to end up doing it, you know. I was thinking I was Beyonce right here. Flip, hair flip, hair flip. All right, so as you can see, the part needs to be a little tweaked. So I took it off and I had reparted it and I had tweaked it a little bit or whatever. Put it on my mannequin. I was having a little trouble with it because I couldn't find my other pants. Really, Blaze? Really? Blaze. So I had to take my break right here, y'all. I had to get me some little sugar in me, and I still eat the pixie sticks. Yes, I do, and I was jamming to my music. Eat my pixie stick. All right, so once I'm finished with doing that, then I took this hair bond glue. I think it's called hair bond. I'm not sure. I'm about to show it to you guys in a minute once I stop dancing. I think it's hair bond. Did I show y'all? Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I did show y'all. Hair bow, hair bond, it's something. I'm taking this glue. I took it from my mother. It's her glue. So I'm putting this around my perimeter of my hair, and then I'm just gonna smooth it out with a comb. Do that twice. Let it dry, then put the wig on. Alright, y'all. So I was looking for my wig right here, and I was sitting on it. So now I'm gonna take this Beyonce wig and throw it on my head and secure it down, you know, with the glue. And we about to see how it looks. I was feeling myself soon as it went on. I was like, ooh, she looks good. She looks good. Boom. Y'all, I had put oh yeah, I ain't tell y'all. I put powder on the lace. Look how good that looks to my skin. Oh, not to mention, this wig didn't come out the best as it could have had came because I was not using a mirror. I was looking at y'all, looking at me on the phone. No, I was recording on my iPad, whatever device I was recording. So So now we're just gonna sit here and cut this lace off. I don't have a mirror, y'all. Remind y'all again, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm cutting it off the best way I can. And yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up until we get to the next clip. Here I go, y'all. Here I go. This is where I was feeling myself. I was feeling myself a little bit. I was like, ooh, she looking a little good. Look at her singing and shit. But yeah, I was feeling myself. I love this color on my complexion. Look at me. Who is she? Who is she? Yes, girl, fix that damn part, because that part is not giving. That side not giving either. But so now I'm about to pull some baby hair out, y'all. Try to make some baby hair out of this 2 little strands. I don't know what I was doing. I just be seeing the girls do it. I was like, ooh, yeah, that's how they do the baby hair. And then I'm gonna go in and cut it, put the band on. I'm gonna do all that. Yeah, I honestly don't know what I was listening to, but I'm feeling myself again, sitting here dancing, doing some stupid ass dance. I can't dance for nothing, okay? Don't laugh at me. But yeah, so I got these 2 strands pulled out on the side of my hair. And then I forgot, like, do I cut down or upwards? I don't know. But yeah, I just went on and cut. Alright, I had to take a break, okay? Doing all of this was a lot of work. So I had to take a phone break and check my messages or whatever. My boo wasn't texting me, but whatever. I was on Instagram or whatever. Checking the Instagram. Now, I think I was on TikTok. But, yeah, I had to take a break, y'all. So now I'm about to get right back into the work. Okay? Alright, y'all. So now it's time to do the baby hair. So I'm taking my flat irons because I see these what the girls be doing. They curl it first and then they gel it down, smooth it down. Use mousse or whatever, but I use edge control. Okay, look at that curl on that synthetic hair. It curls well. Okay, I must say it does that. So yeah, I'm just gonna curl it and then I'm gonna gel it down. Well, put it in place with my edge control. I forgot what edge control I use. I think it was the Ebon one, blueberry. But y'all see that lace right there? I said, fuck it. You ain't gonna see it anyway. Excuse my language, but yeah. Now it's time to lay these baby hairs down, okay? I will admit I had trouble doing so. Like I said, I don't have a mirror in front of me or nothing. So I was getting frustrated. Like, really getting frustrated because it wasn't laying. It was ugly to me. Y'all see. Y'all will see. When I move to the side, when I move, call your mind and I know what you're feeling. Y'all, this is the moment I knew I had fucked up. Look at my hair. I was so over it. Y'all, we are finally at the end. I had added some brows and lashes on. And look at your girl feeling herself. I love this color on me. Ooh, I'm showing y'all the back of the hair. Flip. Who is she? Oh, that's me. See her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.